What if I told you that most UPSC aspirants spend 70% of their preparation time on papers that contribute only 40% of the marks that actually determine their final rank? That is not a theory, that is a pattern I have seen repeat itself for 14 years. And today, I am going to show you the correct order of preparation based on marks, effort, scoring potential, and time available. By the end of this video, you will have a completely new perspective on how to allocate your preparation energy. Stay till the end because the most counterintuitive insight comes last and it will change your entire strategy. Hi, I am Rahul Tajnekar, your own UPSC mentor and coach, director of Rahul Sir's IAS Academy Nagpur, and author of the book Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, an ultimate guide to score 160 plus marks in GS paper 4. I have appeared for the UPSC interview 3 times, and over 14 years I have seen aspirants succeed and fail. Not based on intelligence, but based on preparation strategy. In my last video, I introduced the idea framework for ethics answers and explained why 95% of aspirants lose marks not because of lack of knowledge, but because of poor answer writing. If you have not watched that video, the link is in the description. It is essential viewing before this one. Today we talk strategy, specifically where to invest your time for maximum marks return. Let us begin. First, let me give you the UPSC mains mark structure in plain numbers. Essay paper, 250 marks. GS paper 1, 250 marks. GS paper 2, 250 marks. GS paper 3, 250 marks. GS paper 4 ethics, 250 marks. Optional paper 1, 250 marks. Optional paper 2, 250 marks. Total, 1750 marks. Now here is what most aspirants do not realize. The average marks scored by even successful candidates in GS papers 1, 2 and 3 is between 95 and 115 out of 250. That is less than 45%. These are factual analytical papers. The marking is strict. The competition for every mark is intense. And the effort required to move from 100 to 120 in GS paper 2 is enormous. Now look at GS paper 4, ethics. Aspirants who prepare it correctly and systematically with a proper answer writing framework routinely score between 130 and 160. Some score above 160. That means ethics has a higher scoring ceiling for a prepared aspirant than any other GS paper. And yet, most aspirants treat ethics as the paper they will prepare in the last 2 months. That is the single biggest strategic mistake in UPSC preparation. Now, before we go further, if this is making you rethink your preparation strategy, hit the like button and subscribe right now. Every week, I am releasing content built on 14 years of mentoring experience. You do not want to miss a single video. Let me now give you what I call the marks to effort matrix. Think of every paper on 2 dimensions. Scoring potential. How high can a well-prepared aspirant realistically score? And effort ceiling. How much effort does it take to reach that score? GS paper 1, scoring potential. Medium, effort ceiling, very high. History, geography, society, vast syllabus, factual heavy, limited writing flexibility. GS paper 2, scoring potential, medium, effort ceiling, very high. Polity, governance, international relations, dynamic content, current affairs dependent, analytical answers required. GS paper 3, scoring potential, medium. Effort ceiling, very high. Economy, environment, science and technology, technical content, constantly evolving. GS paper 4 ethics, scoring potential, high. Effort ceiling, medium. Finite syllabus, framework-based answers, completely learnable writing system. No current affairs dependency for core questions. Essay, scoring potential, high. Effort ceiling, medium. 2 essays, 500 marks combined with GS4, directly benefits from ethics and GS4 preparation. Do you see the pattern? GS paper 4 and essay together, 500 marks, have the highest scoring potential and the most learnable pathway to that score. Yet most aspirants treat them as secondary papers. Now here is the counterintuitive insight I promised you. Preparing GS paper 4 thoroughly does not just improve your ethics score. It improves your essay score. It improves the quality of your GS 1, 2 and 3 answers because ethical dimensions, governance values and administrative empathy appear across all papers. It improves your interview performance because your value system becomes articulate and confident. And it improves your answer writing quality overall because the idea framework teaches you structured thinking that applies everywhere. GS paper 4 is not one paper among 7. It is the foundation that elevates all 7. That is why my book, Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, is not just an ethics book. It is a thinking and writing system that makes you a better UPSC candidate across the board. Both ebook and paperback are available. Link is in the description below. So what is the correct preparation order? Based on marks to effort ratio, here is my recommendation after 14 years of mentoring. Start ethics and essay preparation from day 1 of your UPSC journey, not the last 2 months. Day 1. Build the answer writing habit early. Let the framework become second nature. Give GS paper 2 and 3 the maximum current affairs attention, but do not chase perfection. Target 110 to 120, not 150. The effort beyond 120 in these papers is disproportionate to the marks gained. Use GS paper 1 as a consistent daily revision subject. History and geography are high retention subjects if revised regularly. Do not leave them for last minute cramming. Treat your optional as your highest effort investment. After ethics and essay are stabilized, optional has the highest variance. It can either catapult your rank or destroy it. In my next video, I am going deep into the chapter on human values from my book. I will show you exactly how to write answers on human values that feel genuine to the examiner. Not bookish, not theoretical, but human. These answers are what separate good candidates from great ones. Make sure you are subscribed. That video is coming this week and you do not want to miss it. And if you want to stay consistent with daily current affairs alongside this preparation, download the Rahul Sir IAS Academy app. It is free. Daily updates are waiting for you. Link is in the description. No excuses. All the best. Prepare smart, not just hard. Jai